Hello and welcome to another IMAGINiT Tech Tip. My name is Dana Rice. I'm a Civil 3D certified professional and Autodesk certified instructor. In this video, I will introduce you to a site balancing workflow, the grading volume tool. The grading volume tool can make the difference between hauling away multiple truckloads of soil versus balancing your soil on site. So why balance your site? Well, how much is the full cost of hauling away one truckload of soil? Never mind the immediate cost of fuel and workers' salaries, how much is the cost of vehicle wear and tear? And is this the best use of your employees? The grading volume tool is located on the Analyze tab in Civil 3D. You are able to raise or lower your grading group incrementally. However, the command I will show you automatically calculates the amount needed to balance. So let's jump into Civil 3D and learn this command. In this drawing, I have a design surface of a baseball field, which was created from a grading group. I will come up here to the Analyze ribbon, Grading Volume Tools. Because I have more than one grading group in this drawing, I need to select the grading group I wish to balance from this pull-down menu. Okay, so you will see that as soon as I start this workflow, this grading volume tools, it has the entire group selected, and it shows me the current cut and fill as well as the net. Currently, our baseball field has a net of 403.75 cubic yards of fill. If I come over here and select this button right here, this will automatically raise or lower to balance the volumes. I'll give it a goal of 0 cubic yards. See how very quickly it works. And what I really enjoy about this particular workflow is that not only will it perform the balance, you see it gets it down to 0.52 cubic yards of fill. It also tells me what I had to do to get there. In this case, lower the entire group by 0.10 feet. Thank you for watching today's video.